Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You first confirm Packet Tracer version and EOT device library. That prevents missing components later. Open a new file, place a router and a switch, then drag your smart sensor and EOT gateway onto the workspace. Once done, assign IPs on the router and an IP pool for devices so DHCP works if you use it. Make sure your switch supports EOT traffic by using a managed switch model. Begin cabling. Use copper straight-through from devices to switch and switch to router. You now configure the router interface IP and enable DHCP with an appropriate scope so devices automatically get addresses. That makes scaling faster. Then create VLAN on the switch and assign EOT ports to an isolated VLAN for security. Next, open each EOT device's configuration. Choose DHCP or assign a static IP, add DNS and gateway, and configure the application layer settings such as MQTT broker address or HTTP. You finish by validating end-to-end communication. Ping the gateway, the EOT gateway, and any cloud or broker instance. Use the EOT device's app to publish and subscribe. Once you confirm data flows, save the topology and document IP mappings. If something fails, immediately check VLAN membership and interface IPs, then inspect ACLs and NAT rules because these commonly block traffic. A quick cable swap to confirm correct port types is also effective. Finally, rerun pings and application tests until behavior is normal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.